Hey, so look what I've got. This is freshly delivered from Amazon. This should be our client Garth's new book called Reach Your Peak, which got to #1 on Amazon on Monday. So, big moment of truth. This is the first time I've actually seen the paperback copy in the flesh. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Congratulations, Garth. Look at that. That's a sexy looking book. Fabulous. This is our 32nd Amazon best-selling author in the last, I think, 4 years. I've done this 32 times in a row. So, first of all, congratulations to Garth, #1 Amazon bestseller. Fantastic. Secondly, if you are an author and you already have a book and it's languishing somewhere down in the 4 millionth rank on Amazon, then get in touch. We can help you revive that book, reincarnate it, and get it back up into the Amazon best-selling charts if we possibly can. Or if you have got aspirations to be a published author and write a book, then we can help you do that. And we can do it in 3 levels. We can either show you how to do it yourself and give you all the instruction and all the tools you need to go and do it on your own. We can do it with you and handhold you all the way through the process. Or we actually have a new done for you option where we will effectively ghostwrite your book for you and hand you that manuscript in a first draft format for you to then go over and personalize and make it your own. But the bulk of the project has been done for you. We break the back of all the heavy lifting for you. We also research Amazon and find out what Amazon wants you to write a book about, what your market is currently looking for, and we give you some guidance on how to engineer your book to be a bestseller. So if you have any of those aspirations, then do get in touch. My name is Jonathan Clark. Congratulations to Garth Delikan, our 32nd Amazon bestselling author success story. Come and join us. See you later. Maybe you'll be number 33.